Welcome back to the F350 build. Today is the day. So what I'm going to do today is throw the bed and the fenders on. All right, so starting the video off today, warming up the 6-liter. My grandma's Lexus. Yesterday the tranny started finally slipping after that fix I did, like I think it was 2 years ago. So you know, the fix lasted, but today I guess she's going to be driving the 6-liter. So it's warming up and she's gonna get that diesel life, and I'm gonna drive the 6.7 over to the Junkyard at Don's Sport Car and put the bed on it. So I put those wheels on the right way, and a lot of people were really mad about that for some reason, but put the tools on the back. I'll put the bed on today and the fenders, and then hopefully I get the headlights eventually. So there goes my grandma on the 6-liter. Is she gonna give it the rip? Ooh. Bye, 6-liter. Be safe. So just warming up the truck. It's pretty cold out. I cleaned the windshield kind of because it was, I only cleaned one side because it was icy and I don't have climate control. Before I put the bed back on, I need to put these in these slots right here. I just pulled them out so they wouldn't fall out while I was driving it with, you know, out the bed on. So I'm gonna throw all these back in. There's also one up in that corner that I didn't notice until yesterday, so I need to pull it off the frame. Hopefully it's still there. I can't even remember if it was. So let me do that, and then you know, get the bed back on. I have the truck pushed forward. I have the lift ready for the bed to come in. My old boss is going to come with the forks, lift it up, and hopefully there isn't any issues. It was pretty sketchy last time. I already have all the straps ready. Last time I only had 3, this time I have 5. So I should be okay. So once I get it strapped to the hoist, I could push the truck back, drop it down, and then put the bolts back in it, which hopefully everything will be very uneventful. I also pulled the rear bumper off so the bed is easier to go on and I don't have any chances of the bed falling and messing the bed up with the bumper still on, because it kind of overhangs the bed. The bed is now hanging above the frame. I just need to lower it down and line it up, and she will be mated to the truck. And if I must say, she's gonna look really good. I've been in your waters. I came for sure. I've never been so close before. It's one way or the other. So I haven't bolted the bed down yet, but there she is. Imagine if the fenders were on and the new headlights and all that good stuff. But this thing is so clean. What I was talking about that dent, see how this bed overhangs and the dent is way down here? I mean, you really can't tell that it's there. And what caused the dent was this piece of the bed right here where it hit it. So the bed is all bolted on. Other than that one bolt up there, I'm gonna impact that. I didn't bring an impact. Also, I found out this truck has this little button right here. You can like press it. Ooh, look at the LEDs. Turns them on and off. Almost ashamed to put the bed back on because the Jamo exhaust, it hides all those nice stainless steel welds, but you can see the tip and it does look nasty. So I'm going to throw the stock running boards in the bed. I'm also going to throw the fenders in the bed and strap them down. But before I do that, I need to hook up all the diesel fill and def fill. So now that the bed is on, this light on the passenger side mirror is working. So hopefully everything is going to work now. So I'm going to be really excited if it does. I like the LEDs on the bed. I didn't know that those were LED as well. Oh man, guys, look at this. Look at this. Bam. Both of them work. Oh yeah. Now that the bed's connected, the airbag light's off. So a lot of stuff must run through the bed CAN bus, but I'm really pumped about this. So I sprayed all the sand and everything out of the bed. Now I'm gonna throw the fenders on, and to do that, I need to glue these onto the body. I'm not gonna actually glue them onto the fender since they have the little clips right there. So I'll just let them clip in, and then this will get glued in. And so that'll be glued, and if I ever need to remove the fenders, all I have to do is unclip them from these, which I think will be a lot better. Pulled all the bolts out and the headlight, so now I'm going to go grab the fender, stick it on, line it up, and glue that thing in down there. You can see right there I clipped in the bulkhead thing that goes behind the fender. Got this Gorilla Glue stuff. It looks like it's good for pretty much everything: metal, brick, plastic, stuff like that. So I'm going to run a bead on top of this where the flange used to be, and then when I bolt the fender on, it should just make a perfect little seal. And if I ever need to remove the fender, all I need to do is undo those clips instead of cutting it off the back of the fender. Nice bead on that old flange. Now I'm going to stick the fender on and line everything up. I got the driver's side fender on, the hood lined up with the fender lined up with the door. I did forget some of the screws at the junkyard. Kind of afraid to put the passenger side fender on because the headlight has so many broken tabs. I don't want it to be rubbing up against the fender and rubbing some of the paint off. The headlights do fit very snugly in the fender. You can see there is a gap around it, but on right here, if the light doesn't have any stuff on the bottom like that one over there, it would rub on that fender. So you can see there is a gap right there. So I think I'll leave that fender off on that side for now. Some people were saying in the comments, when the bed harness is disconnected, none of this stuff works. None of the passenger side stuff works. The headliner only goes halfway back. So if you're having that issue, you probably have something disconnected with the bed. The climate control and the radio controls from this console do not work.
Oh yeah, nice. Oops, you got a cracked windshield. He's like, you always got a cracked windshield, David.
I just put a windshield in that truck.
2.
Well, that's because the cab flexed when it got in a wreck.
Oh.
So it cracked the window.
Oh.
No, my silver truck, I just put window in it. It has that chip in it.
In the front or in the back? I know you put a back window in.
No, the front.
In the front. Yeah. Yeah, what a beautiful day. Does this going to tell you what the temperature is outside?
It will once it stops doing the camera stuff.
Oh. Oh, you got all that stuff too, yeah. What year is it again? 17?
Yeah.
Nice. It's beautiful.
A lot faster than the other one.
Well, like that, I don't know. The only thing I noticed about your truck, the brakes didn't, that wasn't a problem or anything. The steering is different than my car, a lot different. And that just took, a little getting used to.
Yeah, this steering's like a car.
Yeah.
It's pretty crazy when you could change the ambient lighting in the truck. Over there, it's supposed to be purple, but it looks pink. Got some blue going on right there. Maybe green, but it looks yellow. And how about red? It looks like it's something's wrong. Soft blue. Ooh, orange. That looks like kind of red too. And then we got ice blue. Ice blue. I don't know. I'm feeling like, I don't know. That's like the dark blue. But it kind of looks purple. So how about we just stay with like soft blue? Ooh, soft blue. I just checked for an update for the sync because it's still doing glitchy stuff, so it's downloading something. Hopefully It's what I need. Because everything else is working. It's just doing some weird stuff still. That is the end of this video. I really wanted to get more stuff done to the truck, but seeing that I don't have the other headlights, I don't want to put the passenger side fender on. If you like the videos, make sure to click that subscribe button. Also, leave a comment below, give this video a thumbs up, and see you guys in the next video.